Hey, Coca-Cola Chef Kendra here, and today I'm going to show you how to make delicious pesto. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have extra virgin olive oil here. We have some fresh basil. We have some pine nuts. We have the undisputed king of cheeses, freshly grated Parmesan cheese. We have black pepper and salt. Our last ingredient is garlic. All right, guys. First thing we're going to do, let's get our olive oil in here. Salt and pepper goes in. Pine nuts. And pine nuts are very mild. And this Parmesan cheese. And we're going to get our garlic in there. It's very fragrant. Basil. Make sure you wash it. Top on. Look at that. So already, all we're gonna do now is put the top on, toss it in the refrigerator until we need it. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.